What is My Selfie in Snapchat? First, I'll show you where you can find it. Open Snapchat app. Now tap on your profile icon at the top. Tap on Settings. Now tap on My Selfie. If you're opening the My Selfie menu for the first time, you'll see a button that says Create My Selfie. Tapping this will guide you through taking a few photos to get the feature started or select from your gallery photos. If you have already updated photos like me, once the feature is set up, your option changes to help you manage your existing photos. Tap Update My Selfie. Use this when you want the AI to create new picture of you. You can take fresh selfie or choose more current photos from your camera roll. This is perfect for giving the AI a better, more recent look at you for features like Cameo and AI snaps. Tap Delete Selfie. This is a fast way to erase all the photos the AI has been using. It completely reset the feature and Snapchat will no longer use your likeness for Cameos, AI snap or those personalized ads. Okay, so after uploading the photos, where you can find that photos or how you can use that photos in Snapchat. So simply go back, tap on this memories icon. Now tap on AI snaps. Choose a style from here. You'll see different character packs and themes. To create your new AI image, just tap on any of those packs. Snapchat AI will get to work using My Selfie photos to place your likeness into that new scene. Just wait a few moments and your awesome new AI photo pack will be ready to share. Now, what is My Selfie on Snapchat? My Selfie is a collection of photos, either new selfie or uploaded pictures, that Snapchat uses as a template for its generative AI. It powers all the personalized feature that uses your face. Cameos, short funny videos, clip where your face is inserted into a scene. AI snaps dreams that we have just created. Imaginative photos of you in different style like a superhero or a painting. The catch: personalized ads. By default, Snapchat may also use your AI generated likeness in personalized ad that only you can see. How to control it? You can easily manage this feature. Open Snapchat app and go to your profile. Tap on settings. Scroll down and tap on My Selfie. Here you can toggle off the use of your likeness in ads or update delete your selfies entirely.